Hey friends, how are you? Today we will be making a shark, so let's get started. The first thing that you will want to do is make a diamond shape. And this diamond shape is going to have rounded angles, just like that. That's going to be the shark's body. Now at the top of your top angle, you're going to make an upside down V. And that is going to be the fin on the back, on his back. Then on the side here, we are going to make two curved lines coming out, and this is going to be his tail. We are going to connect this line to our dot and this line to our dot. Now we are going to create a couple more fins down here for the side, coming down and coming back up, coming down and coming back up. On the inside of his face, his face area, we are going to make some eyes, some little eyebrows if you want to make him look like he's a little bit mean. And we're going to make a big smiling mouth. This guy is going to be smiling. So we have a slightly curved line and then a soft V with two little curved lines at the edge. Now for his teeth, we just make zigzag inside his mouth. And for his nose, it's an upside down U, very wide, with a couple of nostrils. He looks kind of funny. There's your shark. I hope you like him. Bye.